Hello friends, this is a product created by Verlash Technology. You can show that there is a software keep here on the wall. This is for Verlash Technology. I am showing you this product having which is 4 basic fundamental steps like light 1, light 2, fan, plug, which is customized as per need. I am going to show you a demo for this product how to perform. You can see that there is a switchboard over there and which is right now off. Now we can on this switch through this Verlash Technology app. You can show that in this mobile display there is a showing that light 1. If I press light 1 for on, there would be light 1 will be automatically be on in your home system. It is showing in this. Now should I just put off this light, it will be automatically be off. The same thing I will repeat for this light 2. The same thing I will do for the light on. The same thing I will do for this light put off. You can see that there will be automatically on and off through your hands only. Now I will same thing show for you fan. I put this on. You can see that it will be revolved. Now again it will be off. Now again you can show that the fan will be automatically put off. There's a fourth option which I have is plug. In plug we have generally keep this right now for demo. There is an all out. You can also use for the AC plug or something geyser, or in kitchen you can use the mixer one. I will show you for this all out right now. I put this for on and you can see this how the all out will be automatically on without touching it through switch. And again I am putting this for off. Thank you for very much to showing this our product Verlash Technology. You can view, you can subscribe, and you can share our video. Thank you.